So we just entered to this stock right now and it's already 2 to 3 rupees up. It's very quick. Hi guys, subscribe to my channel to never ever miss out any of the learning videos from my channel. So guys, yes, today is 6th of August and the time is almost 9:10 now. So before we see our pre-open market, let's see how the SGX Nifty is performing right now. So SGX Nifty is almost 0.10% up, trading at 16,330 almost. Okay, so this is how the SGX Nifty is performing from the morning today. So it's at little range bound. So let's see once the NSE market opens how that will perform. Okay, and now let's see how our pre-open market has opened. Even this has opened in a sideways. Okay, just 0.06% up, 16,300.40 is where it is opening. So advances stocks are 32, declines as are 13, and unchanged is 5 stocks. And now let's see the stock which is opening in the most gap up section, that is Indus India Bank with 0.73% up and Tata Consumption with 0.61% up. And now let's see the stock which is opening in the most gap down section, that is Bharti Airtel with 0.70% down and Cipla with 0.68% down. So yes, these are the pre-open market as open today. So just in few minutes I'll be selecting the stock and I'll be showing you my live trade what I do today. So make sure you stay tuned for that. And before that, if you're new to my channel, a subscribe to my channel will be amazing. And before that, if you're new to trading and want to learn how to make money constantly in trading, and if you're having losses and want to recover your losses, you can join my course today. So I do provide NSE and MCX trading course. The course prices are very less and reasonably priced. You can check all of the details in my blogspot in the description below of this video, that is tradingzero.blogspot.in. so you can see all the details here, and also you can see the earning proof of my clients whoever has joined and are making consistent profit. Okay, so you can go through all of these things, and if you guys wish to earn consistent profit like this in intraday trading, you can join us today. So you guys can message me on the WhatsApp number displayed on the screen to get in touch with me and to take the course and learn how you guys can make consistent profit like this. Okay, so you can watch the video till the end so that you guys will get all the information regarding this. So guys, right now I have selected the Tata Consumption to trade. We'll just buy this stock now in the market level. So yes, we bought it around 778. So now let's wait for the stock to go up. So guys, yes, we are holding the buy position of Tata Consumption. So it is going in a fast movement. So 781 almost now. So it moved 3 rupees up instantly because 776 somewhere around there was a main resistance. So that resistance got broke, and that's why the stock is now moving in a very quick movement. It is already up by 0.5% if you guys can see, and that is almost 3 rupees up. So let's see. So I'll just take my exit by booking 0.5% target again. So I'm just waiting for it again to come up. It was very quick movement, as you guys saw. Within a minute it went up. So because it's a morning time, it's around 9:30 a.m. now somewhere, so that's why you get a quick fast movement like this. But after that there won't be this quick movement, but there will be a stable movement in any stock. Okay, so that's why the first 5 to 10 minutes or 15 minutes should be very volatile when the market opens. Okay, so yes, again it has come to 781. So I shall try to exit around 783 or 782 somewhere around there, because it's my 0.5% target, which is almost more than 3 rupees is what I guess. So yes, so right now it's above 781, so waiting for it to come up still. So it is giving a very quick movement and it's very bullish, and the market also is going in a bullish way right now. So that's why. So anyways guys, I'll just take my exit at 0.5% target, and I won't hold it much due to the markets are very volatile now. So that's why it's again back to 780. So you can see how volatile the stock is. So let me just wait for a few minutes, and once it comes near 783 or 784, I'll just take my exit and I'll update you guys. So guys, yes, as you guys saw, the stock went all the way up till 783.65. So I just managed to take my exit somewhere around there. And so this was the profit what I was able to book today, the today's state of data consumption. It was very quick movement. So if you guys wish to earn consistent profit like this and want to learn all these techniques of making consistent profit in intraday trading, you can join us today. So I do provide NSE and MCX trading course. The course prices are very less and reasonably priced. You can check all of the details in my blogspot, that is trading0.blogspot.in. The link is in the description below of this video. So many of the people has got into my trading program and now they are making money consistently, and even the people who had losses are now starting to recover their losses. You can watch all of these things with the earning proof here with the ledgers, and if you guys are interested and motivated to make consistent profit like this, you can join us today. Okay, so once you join us, you will be getting lifetime support and live market guidance also. I'll be teaching you guys personally how you can make consistent profit in intraday trading. Okay, so if you guys wish to stop your losses from today and want to learn how to make consistent profit like this, you can message me now on the WhatsApp number displayed on the screen to get in touch with me and to take the course and learn how you guys can make consistent profit from today. And also these are the advantages and benefits what you get once you join us. So once you join us, you will be able to earn consistently in trading. I'll be teaching you 95% accuracy unique and secret strategies with no indicators, and also I'll be teaching you a very good timing and discipline what is needed. Just by spending only 15 to 30 minutes per day, you can make 10% profit on your capital. Okay, that is, you can earn 1000 rupees per day with the investment of just 10,000 only. And also I'll be guiding you with a very good money management system and a risk free trading system. And also, as you guys know, my course prices are very less and reasonably priced. So you guys can go inside my channel and watch all the other videos, a lot of educational videos, strategies, tricks, tips, and a lot of things in my channel. So watch all of these things and subscribe to my channel if you're not subscribed. And also every day I upload like how much profit we made on what stock we traded with the profit proof every single day. So if you guys wish to earn consistent profit like this and want to recover your losses from today and want to stop your losses from today, you can join us now. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. Have a good day. I'll see you in the next one very soon.